Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your keyboard model and exact OS build so you download the correct driver. Once confirmed, download the official driver package or manufacturer utility. Avoid third-party sites. Make a system restore point or backup current driver settings so you can revert if needed. While the download finishes, close conflicting apps and note any custom key mappings. Now run the installer as administrator to begin the update process. You'll follow on-screen prompts next. You run the installer with administrator rights and choose between Express or Custom installation. Custom lets you keep specific settings. Once the setup copies files, the installer may prompt for device reconnection or keyboard firmware update. Follow those steps carefully. When drivers finish, allow the system to reboot. Make sure any keyboard utilities start automatically if required. After reboot, open Device Manager or the manufacturer app to verify the new driver version and adjust sensitivity or key mappings as needed. You test every key, media control, and macro to confirm full functionality. If anything misbehaves, open Device Manager, select the keyboard, and use Rollback Driver or uninstall and reinstall to restore stability. Make sure you have the backup point ready. Also check the manufacturer's firmware tool for updates that pair with the driver. If problems persist, try a different USB port or a clean driver install in safe mode. One key tip: always keep a known good driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.